Welcome to Sarsa's with Ed John Briscoe. Teacher Rose, Teacher Esgreen, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Joyce welcomes you to your online lessons. Science!
Hi boys and girls! Good morning! How are you today? I hope you're doing good. So it's me again, Teacher Joanne from Kg1 Class 1, and I'll be your science teacher for today. Before we begin, I would like to welcome you to our second semester online class. So, are you ready to learn something new in science? Good, let's begin. So today we are going to review about plants. Okay. For the first part of this review, we are going to learn about living things. Or for our vocabulary, living things. Can you repeat after me? Living things. Excellent. Now let's spell the word. L-I-V-I-N-G, living, things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, living things. Living things can breathe or they need air. And living things grow. It means they grow like you and me. Then, all living things also needs to eat. So, let's say it again one more time. Living things breathe, grow, and eat. What are the living things? So, examples of living things are plants, animals, and human, just like you and me. So say it again one more time. Plants, animals, and human or people. Now let's go to our next vocabulary. Non-living things. Say it again one more time. Non-living things. Let's spell the word N-O-N, non, dash, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Non-living, T-H-I-N-G-S, non-living things. Repeat after me, non-living things. Very good. Non-living things doesn't grow, so it doesn't grow. Next one, non-living things doesn't eat, so they doesn't need food like you and me. And the last one, non-living things doesn't breathe or they don't need oxygen. Good job. So we have this one is an example of non-living things. So all the materials or objects that you see in this picture are non-living things like shoes, headphones, iron, money, books, pens, pencils, brush, coffee, cutleries. These are all non-living things. Let's have a review with our two words. Say living things. One more time. Living things. Excellent. Second one, non-living things. Say it again one more time. Non-living things. Very good. Now let's go to our next topic or review. It's called plant life cycle. As you can see in the picture, this is how plants grow. From seeds becomes seed and then starting to grow roots. Number 3, and then number 3, they're going to have sprout. Then small plants start growing and keep going until it becomes a full-grown plant. When it becomes a full-grown plant, it will produce fruits or seeds. Let's have another look to the plant life cycle. Okay, here's an easy illustration. In this picture, you can see that the seed is planted on the ground or in the soil. So the first thing that will happen, it will start growing its roots. Number 2, the seeds are going to start sprouting. After they grow roots, they're going to sprout small leaves. And number 3, The small sprout is starting to grow into a small plant. As time goes by, as you can see on number 4, becomes a full-grown plant, and this one is a sunflower. So it has roots, stem, leaves, and a flower. Repeat after me. Roots, stem, leaf, flower. Well done. Let's see again if you can remember. First, plant the seed. Number 1, they're going to start growing their roots. Number 2, they're going to sprout. Number 3, they're going to become a small plant. And number 4, they're going to become a full-grown plant. It always takes time for plants to grow. For our activity or our homework, we're going to use the nature around us. This will be your book for science. But we don't have your books at home yet, so we're just going to use pictures, edit the pictures, save it, and send to your teacher. For page 1, for the first activity, you have to write the words along the dot lines or trace the words. So most of these are living things. For example, tree. Tree is a living thing. It grows, needs water and air, and it eats nutrients from the soil. So tree is a living thing. Then we have to trace this. Ready? Trace the word T R E E 3. Well done. What about this one? What are these? They are birds. Exactly. Birds are living things. They need to eat, breathe, and they also grow. Now let's trace the word. B, standing line, curved line, standing line, dot, standing line, curved line, standing line. Well done. You're doing great with your tracing. For the next picture, we have a camera. Camera. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? Does a camera eat? No. Does a camera breathe? No. Does a camera grow? Definitely not. So it's a non-living thing. So we're going to trace the word camera. C A M E R A, camera. For the last word in this page, we have this girl is a person or a human. Does she grows? Definitely yes. Does she needs to eat? Of course. Person needs to eat. And does she breathe? Does she needs oxygen to breathe? Yes, she does. So she is a living thing. So now let's trace the word human. H-U-M-A. Good job in tracing this word. So let's say it again one more time. Bird, 3, camera, human. Excellent job. Now let's go to the next page. On page 2, I want you to look at the pictures and number the pictures according to the plant's life cycle. Say it again one more time. Number the pictures according to the plant life cycle. So number 1, it's a seed. Seed. So we write number 1. What's next? Okay, this one, the sprout, is the number 2. The small plant is the number 3. And this plant gets bigger. So this is number 4. And this one is a full-grown tree or full-grown plant. It's a coconut tree. So that is number 5. Ta-da! Did you write the numbers according to how the plant life cycle? Excellent work. Let's go to the next one. For the last activity, or page 3, you can draw a picture or put a picture on this activity. So look at the picture on top. You have the seeds growing, sprouting, growing to a small plant, and gets bigger and bigger. And that's how plants grow. You can draw a picture in the box, or you can just paste a picture. I will show you the example of the homework that you have to pass. So you're going to pass your homework like this. You edit the picture, save it, and send to teacher. Please don't forget to write your name and your student number. So that's the end of our lesson. I will see you again in our next lesson. Bye!